Suraj Prasad. I'm a BTech graduate from IIT Patna, and I've been associated with askIITians for the past 4 years as a chemistry faculty. Today we're gonna learn the chapter PBlockElements, which is considered as one of the most important chapters of inorganic chemistry, because obviously this chapter is so large that questions are definitely gonna come from this chapter, because this chapter consists of total 6 groups starting from 13 to 18. So I'll be discussing what we have to study in this chapter PBlockElements one by one, starting from the introduction, where these PBlockElements are there in the periodic table, and then I will tell you about the properties of the PBlockElements. With every group I will have one more part, like suppose I will have boron family, then their compounds, carbon family and their compounds, nitrogen family and their compounds, oxygen family and their compounds, halogens family and their compounds, and at last I will be teaching you the noble gases family and their compounds. So these are the 6 major groups of PBlockElements of the periodic table, and they are in the periodic table. If you see, they are kept at the right hand side of the periodic table. Also, I will, in the last part of mine, I will be discussing you something about the questions which have asked already in JEE on this topic of PBlock. So stay tuned with me for that. Hello students, so today we're going to learn PBlockElements. So here let's start first with what topics we have to cover with the introduction part. So the first topic which we need to cover is obviously the introduction, that what is actually PBlock, how many elements it consists of, which group number comes under the PBlock. Then we will learn the properties of PBlockElements. They may be physical properties, they may be chemical properties. So different properties, and also we will learn here diagonal relationships also, like we did in S block elements. So here also we'll observe those kind of things in properties. Next topic is we're going to learn the first family of PBlock, that is your boron family. Okay, start with the 13 group, and then we will learn about aluminium extraction. Then we learn about the aluminium extraction. So aluminium being one of the most useful element, okay, its extraction process will be dealt here. Then the carbon family. It is the one element which has made a beautiful subject, organic chemistry, possible, right? So this also comes under the PBlock only. And the compound which we have to study in that carbon family is your silica, silicate, silicones and all. So this is also one of the important component of glass. Then we're going to learn the nitrogen family, and its compounds. Then the most vital element for us, that is our oxygen family. So what it is? Vital element, oxygen. And we also then learn the compounds of oxygen family. Then comes the halogen family. All the halo group comes under PBlock itself. Then we're going to learn halogen family compounds. In which we will learn about different compounds of all the chloro, fluoro, iodo, yeah. Then we will learn about noble gases family. So your noble gases family consists of all the unreactive gases like helium, argon, neon, etc. And then we will discuss some of the JEE questions. So next, guys, we'll go with the introduction part of the P block elements, in which I will tell you that what we have to learn and what are different major topics which are the favorite topics which JEE or any competition exam will mainly focus on. So let's go with the introduction part. So it's actually the right side of the periodic table which have the group number as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So they are termed as your P block elements. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they total have 6 blocks in this 6 columns or 6 groups I can divide in this P block element. And these have, obviously, if I'm saying 13, so this will have 3, 14, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in their outermost shell respectively. Okay. And the last electron will enter which group? Obviously the P group, P subshell. And this is the reason why I say that they are P block elements. You can also see that its electronic configuration is NS2NP126. NS2NP126. P electron will depend upon the group number. If it is 13, then NP1 up to NP6. So total in the last shell I will be having, I can have maximum of 8 electrons. This is the P block elements, guys. This is the P block. Starting from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So this is your this whole bunch is your P block elements, in which you have non-metals also, you have metalloids also. You can see here, this is the metalloids. You can see here, this is the metals. These all are the metals. Okay, aluminium, gallium, indium, okay, lead, and noble gases. These all are the noble gases: neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, helium, and these are the halogens. The one shown in a yellow. Okay, they are the halogens. So students, we saw in this part, in that introduction part, that where are my P block elements? Okay, they are in the periodic table. Also, why these are known as P block elements? Because the last electron, it enters the P subshell. Also, we get to know that starting from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. These are the 6 groups in which we have categorized these P block elements. In the next part, I'll be telling you some more properties of the P block elements. Like your physical and your chemical properties. So stay tuned with me for that.